Today we're going to make the easy feta pasta recipe. So in a casserole dish, we're going to add some olive oil to this. Add a block of feta cheese right in the middle. Next, you're going to add your cherry tomatoes all around the outside of the cheese. And season it with salt and garlic salt. Bake this at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now just make your favorite type of pasta. After it cooks, mix the cheese with the tomatoes. Now add the pasta of your choice. I've already cooked this and it's already drained. Just mix this in. And time for the taste test. It's good and easy.